project is a digital ID piece of software. So what we do is we take ID card systems like student cards or club memberships, and we run software to turn those into digital IDs on mobile apps. When I was a student studying mechanical engineering at Trinity College, I was always losing my student card and not being able to get into the gym or library. So I decided to put together and kind of solve my problem and put together a document and a bit of research to say, how could we solve this? And we came up with the idea of a digital student card where we would just take all of the information that was already being put onto a piece of plastic and issue it onto a mobile phone. And over the course of 3 months, with a great team from the college IT department and other student software developers, we were able to launch the digital ID and see thousands of students in Trinity benefit from it. And even from those sort of benefits, learn so much more and be able to take that idea, turn it into a product, and then turn it into a company that's now selling products to universities across Ireland and into other sectors.
So when I came to the project, Finn had already worked for some time using funding from Trinity to develop a minimum viable product or a prototype of what the solution was. My role as a technology transfer case manager was to identify that intellectual property that Trinity had developed in tandem with Finn and parcel it up and license it to his new company that he was developing with fellow students. The goal of said company, of course, being to license the intellectual property, and by which I mean the software that was developed, and bring it to market. So day to day we tend to deal with research that arises as a tech transfer office from funded researchers and professors. In this case it was a student that had worked on a very interesting idea, one that was very relevant. I felt this was an unusual case that showed the breadth of capability, but also the breadth of challenges that a tech transfer office can come across of a day.
The benefits of the collaboration were enormous. Without Trinity's support in terms of funding, expertise, and even just time from so many people, we never would have been able to get this project off the ground. I mean, as students, we have a lot of ideas, but sometimes we don't really know how to direct those ideas in the best way. And Trinity really gave us that guidance to sort of take what we had as an idea and bring it through to a product. And I think that's like really where the real value was, that it was an educational experience as well as a commercial experience.